complex decisions because of the customer preferences and tastes are continuously changing, and for that the manufacturer are not able to satisfy the all taste and preferences of the customer. So in this case the decisions are becoming complex, so we need to satisfy only those customers have a maximum demand particular product. So nowadays the decisions are very complex. The second, to solve the real world problem. So world has so many problems, and we take this opportunity to solve this real world problem by with the help of decision making. Then rapid changing technology, continuously technology are changing, whether it mobile technology, it's maybe any software, laptop. If I purchase laptop today, within 2-3 hours the laptop, the utility will be very less, and new technology developed. So for that we need to develop technology as well as new strategy. So we need to understand the decision science. The high degree of uncertainty. So continuously the environment, business environment are continuously changing. For that we have uncertainty, so we can minimize the risk with the help of decision science. The growing competitions, manufacturers are continuously competing with each other by giving more utility of the products, and that utility is come from the competitions. So to minimize our competition, we need to lead our product in such a way that we can compete with our competitors. Then business growth. If we want to continuously grow in business area, we need to develop our product in different manner that we can grow our business. We can take example of HMT watch. The HMT watch is continuously abolished from the market because of the business growth. So develop our business continuously. And last one, rapid change in cost inputs. See, the technology are continuously changing. For that we need to input very different technology, and that technology are somebody invented, and that technology we need have some cost, so that the rapid change in cost of inputs might be new technology, new process, new ingredient, new models. So we can understand the decisions, business decisions to minimize that cost. So we can see the course objective. So with these course objective we go for decision science, definitely it will help. So role of quantitative techniques. So there are so many quantitative tech tools are available in the decision science. We can understand what is the role of particular tools in decision making. So the first one, the role of quantitative techniques. Then second, the process of decision making problem. So problem formulations could be in linear programming, your assignment problem, any game theory. So we need to understand the process of decision problem formulations. Then application of various quantitative techniques. There are quantitative techniques available like transportation problem, assignment problem, simulations, game theory, then CPM parts. So these are the techniques available in decision science. We need to understand which technique is useful for particular situations. Suppose we need to understand, we need to solve the problem of transportations. So where from the transportation goods to be transport, in which warehouses we can use the transportation problem. Suppose some salespersons are, and that salespersons have a good performance in particular area, so we can place that particular person, salesperson in particular that area. So we have, company has so many salesperson. In that case we assign some particular person to particular area, that is a assignment problem. So application of the various quantitative techniques. Then we will see the course outcome. After learning these subjects, you will be understand the concepts and model of associated with the decision science. So this concept could be what is linear programming, what is transportation problem, what is assignment problem, what is probability. So these kind of concepts we can understand. Then understand the different decision making tools. So Tools are like I said, transportations, assignment. Then apply appropriate decision making approach as well as the tools. So, these tools, so which tools apply in which situations, so application of the tools. Then analyze the real life situations with constraint and examine the problem using different decision making tools. So, real life like worker assignment, sequencing, suppose 2-3 machines are available and that every machine has a different time to process particular articles. So, we can analyze and with the constraint that the minimum resources, maximum output. So, with this constraint we go for business decisions. Then evaluate the various fact about the business problem and develop business solving ability. Discuss and propose various application of decision tools in present business scenario. So, these are the course objective. Prerequisites for the decision science. So, the first prerequisites is desire to learn new tools for your business decisions. So, the first prerequisites for these subjects. And the second is just you need to understand the basic mathematical operations like plus, minus, multiplication, addition, division. These are the basic mathematical operations. Then next, the teaching, learning and evaluations pattern of the decision science. See, this subject is for 100 marks and these 100 marks is divided into two parts, university evaluations for 50 marks and institute evaluations for 50 marks. University 50 marks has one question paper, that is 5 questions, and these questions understanding based to applications based. So, understanding like what is linear probing, what is constraint, what is equality. So, these kind of concept will ask in the questions and these questions will be for 2 marks. And application based questions like we will give a real example and solve these real situations like this. We this question type of questions ask for 10 marks. Then the institute evaluations has 50 marks. For that we need to use minimum 3 parameters and that parameters maybe can vary marks like case study for 10 marks, peer assessment for 20 marks, this could be a vary, and this is concurrent evaluations. Suppose one student fail in that particular case study, he scored 10 marks. So, he can again give again suppose the case study is for 20 marks and he score 10 marks. So, again can give case study solutions. So, up to the 20 marks. Next point, comprehensive concurrent evaluations. I am talking about the institute evaluations for 50 marks and these 50 marks is assessed on based on 3 parameters. One is open book test, that is the questions will be given and students can refer book to answer that questions. Then second was caselets. So, a small caselet is given to the students and these from that caselets students answer whatever the situation, solve the problem. And peer assessment. The beauty of this peer assessment is that the student learn to assess the other assignments. So, this is very effective for numerical subjects. So, peer assessment on the basis of 3 parameter the student will assess for 50 marks. Teaching plan as well as the session plan. See, the total 11 week of this subjects and the 11 week is divided into every week has 4 sessions and every sessions is has 60 mark sessions, and that in this one sessions the 4 video will be delivered to you. The video may be 10 to 15 marks vary. So, this is teaching plan as well as the session plan. Then practical approach in these subjects. So, suppose we go for how many unit to be produced of which article. Suppose we want to produce truck as well as mini truck. So, we have a minimum resources, some constraints like labor, time as well as the machines. In that case, which product is to be produced minimum and which product is to be produced maximum. So, with the help of this we can solve this our real life problem. As well as the second example we are taking here, the ingredient decisions, like suppose some pharmaceutical company or want to produce some drugs as well as the any tablets, and that ingredient need to be minimum ingredient as well as the sometime the maximum ingredient. So, this type of problem we can solve with the help of decision making. The last point is course content. The total chapter is divided into 5 units. The first unit consists of 2 main decision tools like assignment model as well as the transportation model. Then second unit, the linear programming, it could be a simplex method, a graphical method. So, we have only graphical methods. Then probability, then fourth unit is on CPM port, and fifth is decision theory. So, thank you.